Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to perform a factory reset operation on your OPPO A6 4G smartphone through recovery mode. First of all, you're going to have to turn off your smartphone completely. To do that, press and hold either power button and volume up key at the same time, or power button if you have the power button set to open the power menu. Then swipe the circle down to power your device off, and after that, wait until the phone vibrates, which indicates that the phone is turned off completely. And right now, we're gonna have to press and hold power button and volume down key at the same time until the OPPO logo appears on the smartphone's screen. Then you can release both of these keys and wait for the recovery mode to appear. And once you see the recovery mode on your screen, use volume down and up keys to navigate to select the language of your preference. In my case, I'm gonna select English, so navigate to the English and then press power button to confirm. Then to perform a factory reset operation, which will erase all data on our smartphone, let's select format data. So highlight this option, then press power button and then enter the verification code you see on your smartphone screen and confirm. Then wait until the factory reset is finished, tap OK, and then wait for your smartphone to restart. And at this point, the factory reset is finished. So now we're gonna have to set up our device once again if you want to start to use it again. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.